Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you should pick lock screen, and now tap on screen lock type. Here you can select the one that you would like to have, so it can be either pattern, pin code or password. So let me pick, for example, pin code. And now you have to enter the one that you would like to have, so it can be, for example, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. You just have to remember that this pin code must have at least 4 characters. You can also select confirm pin without typing OK, but I will leave it as it is. So once it's entered, just tap on done, and you should enter it one more time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and tap on OK. And as you can see, from now on, tap on done firstly. And now your device will be protected by your pin code. So you have to enter this pin code. It's 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Now tap on OK. And that's it. No stranger will be able to unlock your device. If you would like to change the password, or if you would like to change the way of unblocking your device, just go to the settings one more time. Select lock screen, which is here. Go to screen lock type. You have to enter yours to have an access. To make any changes, just tap on done. And now you can change it, for example, to the pattern. Just tap on pattern, and now enter the pattern that you would like to have. So let me draw mine. Tap on continue. Now you have to draw it one more time. Confirm. And since now this brand new pattern is protecting your device, so without it you will not be able to unlock your device, your Samsung. If you would like to erase all the lock screens, just go to the settings one more time, select lock screen, select screen lock type, draw the pattern that you have, and now select swipe. And now, as you can notice, your device is not protected at all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.